Dean Ornish, Undo It, How Simple Lifestyle Changes Can Reverse Most Chronic Diseases. Welcome to a life-altering journey towards better health and vitality. This summary of Undo It, How Simple Lifestyle Changes Can Reverse Most Chronic Diseases by Dean Ornish reveals the power of lifestyle medicine in treating and preventing a range of chronic diseases. Armed with extensive research published in peer-reviewed medical journals, the book demonstrates how a simple, comprehensive approach to lifestyle changes, including adopting a whole food, plant-based diet, getting regular exercise, managing stress, and fostering strong social connections, can significantly impact our health and well-being. Dive into this user-friendly guide to learn how to revolutionize your health and embark on a path to a more fulfilling life.
The Power of Lifestyle Changes. This book challenges the notion that chronic diseases can only be treated with expensive drugs and surgery. The lifestyle medicine program outlined in this book claims to prevent and reverse conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity through simple lifestyle changes. Supported by clinical outcomes data from tens of thousands of patients and embraced by leading figures in the medical community, this program is backed by a significant body of scientific evidence. While emergency situations may require drugs and surgery, the book argues that lifestyle changes can be more effective than drugs alone in treating chronic conditions. The shift in thinking about chronic diseases is based on studies from highly respected sources, such as the Harvard School of Public Health, the Finnish Diabetes Prevention Study Group, and the Mayo Clinic. The power of radical change. Making a radical shift in your lifestyle is more effective than taking a gradual approach. Small changes do not bring significant improvements, and fear is not a sustainable motivator. Feeling good is a sustainable motivator, and a radical shift brings major improvements in a short time. Big changes lead to self-motivating improvements in overall sense of well-being and specific aspects of health. Don't hold back, dive right in. One-size-fits-all solution for chronic diseases. Chronic diseases may have different types and various drug-based treatments, making it challenging to find a one-size-fits-all solution for them. However, lifestyle medicine seems to hold the key to preventing or reversing chronic diseases, as the underlying biological mechanisms for most chronic diseases are the same. Factors such as unhealthy diets, lack of exercise, chronic stress, and social isolation cause chronic inflammation, which is a major contributor to chronic diseases such as diabetes, cancer, heart disease, dementia, and depression. To slow, prevent or reverse chronic diseases, one must consider changing these lifestyle factors. Snipping one strand of the tangled web of chronic diseases can begin to unravel the whole web. Plant-based diet for a healthy life. The authors advocate for a whole food, plant-based vegan diet as the healthiest way to eat, while warning against the typical meat and dairy-heavy Western diet. The recommended diet focuses on eating mostly plants, including vegetables, fruits, whole grains, legumes, soy products, nuts, and seeds, while avoiding meat, sugar, white flour, white rice, and unhealthy fats. The benefits of the plant-based diet, including reduced rates of premature deaths from all causes, are supported by a 2016 study published in the Internal Medicine Journal of the American Medical Association. The diet can be easily adopted by minimizing processed and organic options are preferred since they're free of hormone-disrupting pesticides. Plant-based whole foods, the key to a healthier life. The idea that plant-based proteins and carbs are healthier than those from meat is an oversimplification. The substances present alongside them are what matter. Plant-based foods contain substances that help ward off cancer, aging, and heart disease, while animal proteins and refined carbs can introduce harmful substances into your body. Plant-based proteins and carbs, in general, contain a higher quantity of antioxidants, which stop the oxidation process that damages cells. Meat lovers should be wary of AGE, a molecule called an advanced glycation end product, which is typically found in animal-based food products high in protein and fat. Age molecules lead to aging by suppressing anti-aging proteins called sirtuins and contribute to a host of health problems. Adopting a plant-based whole food diet can positively impact areas of our health, including blood flow, angiogenesis, and the healthiness of our microbiomes. Benefits of exercise. Exercise is key to longevity, happiness, and intelligence. Research suggests walking just 20 to 30 minutes daily can increase your lifespan by up to 30%, while running can even give you 3 extra years of life. Exercise also increases the presence of beneficial bacteria in your gut, which produce feel-good neurotransmitters. Additionally, exercise promotes neurogenesis in the brain, strengthening existing connections between neurons, helping the brain acquire new memories and learn new things. The devastating effects of stress on our body and mind. Stress can have numerous health consequences beyond just psychological discomfort. It leads to oxidative stress, inflammation, shortening of telomeres, compromise our immune system, and even accelerate cell death. However, there's hope. Simple techniques like meditation, stretching, and deep muscle relaxation exercises can combat and prevent future stress by reversing the physiological responses and providing a buffer between our rational and emotional brain. Meditating just 30 minutes a day for 8 weeks has measurably reduced the size of the amygdala in our brain. Social connections and your health. Our social connections play a significant role in our overall health. Loneliness can have a detrimental effect on our health, affecting every biological mechanism and causing chronic emotional stress, inflammation, and the activation of genes linked to chronic diseases. Conversely, having strong social connections can heal and protect the body by reversing these mechanisms. Building and deepening our social connections can provide the necessary support we need in times of stress. Providing support to others can also have a positive impact on our health and increase our chances of longevity. It's essential to cultivate meaningful relationships by offering a helping hand to our friends, family, and community.
In conclusion, Undo It highlights the transformative power of lifestyle changes in preventing and reversing chronic diseases. The program rests on 4 key pillars: a whole food, plant-based diet, regular exercise, stress management techniques, and nurturing social connections. By implementing these changes comprehensively and consistently, you can unravel the complex web of chronic diseases and empower yourself to live a healthier, happier, and more robust life. Remember that small changes might not be enough to see significant results, so embrace the process and make profound shifts in your lifestyle. Let the journey towards better health begin.